Well, thank you very much. First of all, let me congratulate you personally for having started this initiative. And I think it's an absolutely wonderful initiative. You perhaps do not know that I started my career in life as a teacher, not of law, but really of history. I taught history in the Delhi University for 3 years, though I graduated from St. Stephen's as a history student. So I really appreciate the initiative that you have taken, and I'd be very happy to offer my services to you at any point in time to interact with students on topics that you wish me to take up in the course of that interaction. But coming to the topic for today, the unrealized constitutional promises. Well, I want to start off by saying that in politics, promises